How would you like to be more consistent and effective than ever in your ministry? I literally had the most consistent year of my life last year, getting some type of exercise almost every day, reading my Bible and praying almost every single day, reading a book and learning something almost every single day. How did I do it? Habits. And a lot of things I learned from this book, Atomic Habits. Stick around and I'll share what I think about it, the best parts from it, and how you can listen for free. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys. Not real like a big deal, but real like we're real people with real problems. And we are one family with multiple channels, so make sure to check them out at therealrileys.com. We've got channels on how-tos, on business, on marriage, and faith. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real church, real preaching, and real worship. We want to help mid-sized ministries master their methods. But we also offer online courses, coaching, and even church consultations. Check them out in the description below or on our website. Would you take just 1 second and like this video and subscribe to our channel? That helps YouTube know that you enjoy it, and it helps us to continue to make content like this. This video was originally made for our channel on faith, which you can check out, but I thought, man, you guys will probably enjoy it and benefit from it as well. Now let's get into it. Today we're going to be talking about Atomic Habits by James Clear, and I love this book so much that it made my top 5 list. And normally I don't do this because normally we give away our free mini course based on one of our free PDFs, but I want to give you this top 5 book list for free. All you got to do is use the code TOP5, and you'll notice that we actually have top 5 book PDFs for multiple areas of life. But we wanted to hook you up today just for stopping by. So check out the link in the description below. So what's this book about? Well, you guessed it, it's about habits. Specifically, how to make and start really good habits, and it even talks about how to stop bad habits. One of the huge overarching concepts that kind of runs throughout the book is this idea that these tiny decisions or these small habits, these decisions that you make actually change the entire direction of your whole life. There is power in your habits. How readable is it? It's actually really easy to read or listen to. It's easy to understand the concepts that he talks about, it's pretty entertaining, and it is super practical. And hey, if you want to get your own copy of Atomic Habits, I'll put our affiliate link below. And if you want to listen for free, you can check out our link for Audible, where you can get a free trial and 2 books for free. How practical is the information in this book? It is super practical. You'll literally be applying things the day that you read it, which means you can start healthier habits today. Really kind of the whole point of this book is that you actually need to do these habits if you want them to change your life. An example of something really practical is this little nugget or this idea to never miss twice. That means when you start a habit and you mess up, that's okay, but do it the next day. Never miss twice. That one concept can change everything. What are my least favorite parts? Well, to be completely honest, there's not a whole lot in this book that I don't like. It's a pretty good book. What are my favorite parts? I'd say the most useful thing would be habit stacking. This is the idea of taking habits that you already have in place and adding a habit that goes right along with it so that now you have multiple habits and you can do it successfully. And you're probably watching this video to improve your ministry, but if you also want to improve your preaching, I want to encourage you to check out our online course, The Power Preaching Plan. I'll give you examples of how to make a full outline for any sermon. It'll save you time and make sure that you never get stuck writing your sermons. Just check it out in the link below or therealrileys.com. Another really helpful concept is an idea of cues. When this happens, I will do this, and then I'll do this. So then all of a sudden, something as simple as walking into a room can help you start your habit. I also think it was really helpful when he talks about how you can avoid bad habits that you don't want to have or that you want to quit. And can I stop you right there? And if you're enjoying this video and getting value from it, will you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? That helps us make more content just like this. What are some of my favorite quotes from the book? He says, every action is a vote towards the type of person that you want to be. He also says this, that small changes in context can lead to large changes in behavior over time. As far as a rating, I would give this book a 9.5. That's about as good as it gets. Now, as far as a recommendation, do I think you should get this book? Yes. Yes. And yes, I'll put our affiliate link in the description below, and like I mentioned, you can use our Audible link to get the audio version for free. I actually listened to the audio version of this book before I bought the physical version, which is really great because you can multitask and do other things like mow the lawn or work out while you listen to the audiobook. Now it's time to get real. Comment below and let us know the #1 habit that you could add to your life to improve your ministry. And I want to encourage you to join the conversation in one of our online communities. You can hang out with like-minded people, be encouraged, ask questions, and you might even have your question answered in the next live Q&A. And be on the lookout for our next video about a click track. What is it, and should your worship team use it? Or if you want to branch off, check out one of our other channels like our inflatable hot tub review. I hope this video was helpful to you and that you'll be able to start some real habits. But until next time, keep it real.